Yes? Brilliant. Quickly, can I have feedback? How was it? What was the feeling like at the end? What would you like to say?
Thank you.
Yes, it's very good, sir. And one thing I want to, I attended your True Talk, sir, and that time you did phobia to remove this phobia. You use some techniques. So those techniques I did with my daughter. She had faced in her KG class something. So and it worked really beautifully.
Brilliant. Superb.
So it was really very great, Nitin. Very helpful. Lots of techniques we have learned here. NLP I have done earlier also, but now I have actually came to know the means like it's more basics and more practical way. I'm learning it now. So it's very good. And the hypnosis, I really want to learn hypnosis from you, the basic things. Now I know these all things are hypnosis, but I want to learn the basics of it from you.
Perfect. Brilliant.
So Nitin, before this hypnosis ke naam se, it was always thinking that somebody is going to have a watch in your face and they're going to hypnotize you, but I think a lot of that perspective has changed. So thank you for that. And the training has been amazing, especially the practical application part. And I'm really looking forward to doing more courses with you.
Okay. Perfect. Anyone else who would like to add something?
Yeah, for me it is like I have a full pouch of arrows. So this is a few more arrows into it so that I can use it. It was something, it makes you more confident that you have quite a lot of arrows to just work like.
And I hope you will also be able to use the arrows confidently in the right direction.
Yeah, I know. I mean, that is where it is. Yeah, that confidence I have already. But at end of the today's session, it is making me like, as of when can I use this now?
Chalo. Nice. Good.
Thank you for the amazing workshop as well as SciTalks. I was a part of the SciTalks also. Quite amazing it is.
Thank you. We actually got a message from someone after Psych Talk saying that I am now seeing you, Mamta and Misbah in my dreams. This is how frequently I've been watching it.
Sneha ji, I want to ask something. You had concerns about working with people online. Now, during these 4 days, you have already worked with all the other participants online.
Yeah, right.
That confidence, that conviction that you will be able to do it.
Definitely. See, yes. I have overcome that. In fact, seeing myself on the screen and actually seeing audience again. Yes, it has made a lot of difference. Thank you.
Yeah, I want to add on that actually. I'm not confident to address a group of people, especially. Now, immediately the first point after doing all these things, it struck me was, can I do the group therapy for students? So the confidence is amazing. Thank you so much, Nitin, for conducting this session.
Thank you.
Nitin, do we get a certificate for this?
You will be receiving a certificate. I think the office will start on Monday. So Monday you'll receive an email with the certificate.
Okay, thank you.
कोई तो बोल रहा है, शाशु आप बोल रहे हैं?
Nitin.
हाँ.
Thank you, Nitin.
Girish. हाँ, Girish.
So
thank you. Oh, sorry. This is okay. Girish, after you.
Okay. Thank you. So I would like to really say, like, I think I did the first program with you in 2012 or something, 2012 or 13. I don't remember. It was way long back. But sometimes when we update ourselves with so many different techniques and processes, this and that, we sometimes lose the strength of the basic things and the simplicity, like how I feel dash about dash when dash and the simple flip model, how these things can itself be so transformational enough that the job gets done. At the end, the whole idea is to get the job done. So, but then we also, as sometimes as a coach, we also have so many tools that अरे वो वाला tool तो use ही नहीं किया, ये नया tool है, ये use करते हैं. But we try and see it from our perspective, but then we have to also see from the efficiency from the client's perspective. So doing this actually brought me to so many simple things which I was actually missing, and I was overcomplicating. So yeah, good. It was a good reminder, and I'm glad that I participated and did this whole thing. It was a good one. Thank you so much for that.
Perfect, brilliant. And day 3, I'll let you know when you can complete that part.
Yes, that would be good. Yes, thank you.
Take care. Perfect. Anyone else left who wants to say something?
Yes, Nitin, thank you. The more I work with you, the better I feel, the more confident I feel that I can tell people I'm a coach. In fact, I've began telling a lot more people that I've completed a coaching certification. Now, earlier level 1 was level 2 करने के बाद बोलते हैं ना, तो अभी that is not there. Initially, when somebody comes to you, you can tell them, "Chalo, I'll meet you online," and we'll break it down and we'll begin. So, utna confidence, and after this, it's only added. So, I'm glad that I found you, and I'm glad that I'm continuing doing whatever I'm doing.
Thank you. Perfecto. Alright. सबका हो गया? कोई बचा है?
हाँ मेरा. I'll be able to do online sessions now.
You have to get started with the online session anyway.
Yes.
मेरे पास तो option ही नहीं है.
But now confident.
चलो, good, nice.